Flying people. Chris, tell them morning. Chris, tell them morning.
Good morning, people.
Yes. Guys, we are up in the hills. What, Joshy?
You look nice. You get the glasses done?
Hey, Planka people. See Chris here. Chris, talk to them.
Morning.
Yeah, we're going down to... Hi, Dante. We at Dante house. Dante, watch him have live on. It's Dante's birthday party. And we are at Dante. Hi, Dante. Hi, Dante, grandfather. I'm not like the live video. Hi, Dante. Oh, we are at Dante house. Dante, you have pool. So guys, you're the perfect rich kid, Dante. No. Yes. Hold this there for me, Chris.
Guys, right now, this is Auntie Dana at my house right now. I'm going to give her a
Dante,
tour of my farm.
I hear say you have girl in the pool. I don't want to make no eruption up here, no, Dante. You have girl in the pool, Dante? Eh?
I'm not girl in that pool.
Oh, make sure.
No girl in that pool.
Oh, yeah, the pool. All right, all
Nothing
right.
like, this is Josh in the building right now.
Yes.
See the pool, man?
Hold it for me to fix my clothes.
Yes.
Hold the phone look up for me.
So we're all Auntie Dana crew.
Chris, welcome to my friend, Chris.
Chris,
You're-
good evening. Good evening.
It's evening now?
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hi, Dante fans. A video. I think I live. Big up on yourself.
Auntie Dana, no man.
All
I'm not
right.
about that.
All
Auntie Dana,
right.
you know, so I have something for you, Auntie.
All right, come. I want to see the farm too.
I want to put on my farmer boot. It's on there, so.
You're going to put on your farmer boots.
Yes,
Yes, guys. So,
there's a
this
lot
is the pool area of your house, Dante.
Auntie Dana, don't mind everything because I kind of move up and down.
All right, go on, mama. Nah, mind nothing.
See the floors and everything.
Chris, Dante is the first time Chris seen Dante, and Chris don't know who is Dante, so we want the planka to tell who is Dante. Introduce yourself to him, Dante.
I'm Dante Reynolds, Auntie Dana boyfriend. And you know, we're going to take a tour of my farm.
Okay.
Yes.
And it's going to enjoy ourselves. I need 2 jerk chicken and rice.
You have jerk chicken here too.
Auntie
Tell the people them what's keeping why you invite me here to cut cake with you.
You know, it's a lot to meet up and, you know, because, you know, for a long time, you have to come here, see the improvements on my farm. So I'm giving you a tour, and you say, no, you know.
Yes.
It was my birthday the last time. And I didn't,
He's 11 years old.
and I didn't keep anything.
12 now.
But it's not like no party or anything, guys. I'm just keeping out to meet up.
Yes.
As you guys see, you know, social distance.
And show them your farm.
Family, and I'll show you guys my farm. So don't mind down there, so because I'm doing a lot of moving around.
Yes.
Yes.
So Dante have a girlfriend. Dante, I don't want. Josh, please stay away from the pool. He's not a good swimmer, you know.
Yeah, I'm a good swimmer.
All right.
I do something for you.
All right. No, we're going down to Dante farm.
As you guys could see, I have some banana right here.
You plant these, Dante?
Well, most of them are father plants. But,
Yeah.
But you know, some of them, as in birth, so as like if you know, like when we just you know, as them take them time and live up off high ground. You see some sucker come out.
All right. So, all right. Come we get in a tour of Dante, and Dante want to show us all that he does with his money.
Now we catch them here selling as
Dante,
well.
I never know that you live in a palace.
Palace, no, man.
This is more than a palace. I cannot walk out your house.
We have brought them here is from my vat, them from my
So your vat?
Goldfish. Guys, as I said, don't write anything on the comment section about my yard look like this. I'm doing a lot of moving up and down.
Nobody now right nothing because your yard's pretty.
And these are my
I see
flowers.
cassava. Who plant cassava?
Cassava down there.
Is you plant them?
Junior!
Yes. Who is Junior?
The man who helped me out.
Oh.
He said big up to Junior, guys. Junior!
Yes, Taja, you beat me, Dante. Oh, you have rabbit. This is the underseller place. Am I allowed to go in there with the camera? Oh, your grandfather said yes, I can take a tour.
So, I do know
Put some.
cut the drum them for your goldfish them.
So you have the goldfish them. Oh, you cut the jump. So you have rabbits to Dante. Okay.
I'm bird, I get a bird, parrot.
So these are your rabbits.
Josh, come look for a rabbit.
Joshy, come and look at the rabbits. Dante giving Auntie Dana a tour. Dante, take time with him now. So you have to hold him. Dante, I'm afraid of him, you know, Dante. I feel my ratty. Joshua, we run from him. We're not used to this. We know Joshua, we run from him. Dante, take time with him now. Jesus.
She's a female.
Yeah.
I don't know if she's pregnant sometimes they open the cage.
Eh?
And them have a style like now we use to screw them. She take her hand and crawl the cage and open the cage and two of them run
Yeah.
up and down.
Oh.
You see two of them jump up on each other.
Oh, all
So
right.
mating.
Yes, Dante. All right. Big up Marcia, she can't run, you know. Hi, Miracle. So what you call under yes or no, Dante?
Right here, so is a cabin.
All right.
There's a lot of work going on and there's some tiki in this.
Tiki tiki.
Them breed up some small ones, so that's
Yes,
why I'm not
see them
change
there.
the water. Them not go see them still.
Oh.
But this is my cabin right here.
This is your cabin.
A lot of work we're doing right now, so you can see.
Yes, and I want you guys to make it clear that Dante did not come on my program looking any donation or anything. Dante's parents want to make that very clear. Dante is well all right. And anything that you guys give Dante, they allow him to use it on his farm. So I don't want nobody come say, you understand me, Chris?
Yeah, me understand.
Say Dante don't shout or nothing, and Dante family is not begging anything, looking any donation. Every money that Dante gets, he put it in his farm, and he wants to donate the stuff. So we're going down the farm now, Dante.
This is fever grass.
You plant this one?
Oh, never bag one, never bag for you, Auntie Dana.
You have a bag for me? I miss Claudette.
Yeah, straight up.
All right, Dante. Your grandfather. So your grandfather does farming too.
Well, not really, but...
You not like the farming?
No, he love the farming. He just help me out.
Him to help you out. Okay.
Auntie Dana.
So this is your water boot you're putting on, right? Boy, I should have bring one water boot to Dante. And that is the man that help you with the farming.
Junior,
And Dante, can I get some of those cassava? I'm gonna bake pudding.
Junior, do you have any...
Oh, you more pull cassava for me. And look how me did that on cassava over there. Hi, Junior. So you the man that helped Dante with the farm.
Auntie Dana.
Auntie Dante, we're going down the farm. Go on.
Auntie Dana.
Jesus, then I this before walk down Dante.
No, man, no, Auntie Dana. Not got to you.
Jesus, me feel
Auntie Dana,
dizzy.
Auntie, Junior did want to say something public to everybody. And he's shy.
Junior, I hear that you want to say something publicly.
Him say me to say it for him.
No, man, Junior have mouth to Dante. So why can't Junior
What do you
speak?
want to say to everybody?
Hold on, them feel dizzy on the grill step. Me look down like me.
Auntie Dana, nothing. And there's a plant and drop down right here, so.
Yeah.
When the plant and drop down, it bursts out sucker.
One plant and sucker, one wall up.
Drop down for right here, so.
Eh?
Plant me again.
So we down at, I'm going to show them Dante cassava. Because cassava going on my pudding, you know.
Auntie Dana,
Eh?
you see that cassava there?
Yes.
After one day, I pick it out. As I pick it, you have to use it.
It's not good.
No, I'm not feeling water is good. That part is good.
The cassava, when you pick it, you have to use it same time.
I don't know if I...
Look at the view. See that we are at Dante house.
This no plant out here.
What is this, Dante?
Sorry.
Joshua want you to look at Cyril. Look at John Dante farm.
Sorry, guys. Sorry right there.
So what I'm planting over there? So?
Pumpkin.
That people them see the pine.
Pine,
Under
guys.
them is a
And these
signal.
are
Oh.
corn and peas.
Corn and peas, banana. Yeah, that's corn.
Chips?
No, not chips.
Come,
Dante just one man down at the farm. Then I reach down there so far.
Come on, just jump and jump and jump.
So you want me to jump and jump and
No,
jump?
man, no, man. You could, there's a step right there you could walk on.
Okay, Dante. So we want to make it clear that this is Dante farming. So no hear Dante say my farm, I don't think I know your business.
Planting.
And this is the planting tree. So all of you, who plant all of these?
Most of them my father plant out and some of them me. Well, you know, it's not really me plant them out. You have to hire somebody. And when you hire somebody, you give them the rules and they do it. So automatically it's me.
Rasta, you hear that, Chris? He hires, his father hires somebody, he gives them the rule, so automatically he plants them. All right, Dante. So over there is the pepper farm.
Well, no, we have a lot of people coming.
Yes.
Joshie, mind that, Johnny. Joshie.
Yeah.
And so, right there, so she would sleep enough time. And the water come, it wash down the plant.
Sleep? What you mean by sleep?
No, it's, you know,
So show me the cassava tree. That is the cassava tree, Dante.
It's cassava there, Auntie. Show this.
Him say more pick some. I want some cassava.
Where's Junior? Junior.
No, no make him pick them today, Dante. Because I not bake tooth this week, so I want them fresh. Yeah. The church.
So the reason rabbit right
Oh,
there.
so much pine. So these are the money that Dante gets from the donation that person sent him. He used anything else, and when then me receives them, they all on the farm. Nothing is spent on Dante because he does not need it. So I don't want anybody to be picking up any donation and say, oh, Dante needs this and Dante needs that. I want to make that clear for his father his friends, his mother and his family. Dante in his nowhere near the needs. Persons donate for him and he's putting it towards his farm. And he let me know when the planting and the pine grow, he's gonna donate them. He's not gonna sell anything.
And this is
Yeah.
my name again.
Kalalo.
Kalalo, yes.
So Dante has a big farm. So you have scallion tree to Dante.
You plant all the scallion name.
You plant those?
Until then you know you get the VIP service until then.
Rasta Jam should have a VIP.
I should have make a video on it from long time.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, I say 3 hours, you come and say, I don't bother make no video.
Oh.
Scallion right here, so.
Wow, look at scallion.
Scallion.
Yeah, all of these are scallion and pepper. Wow.
And
So over there is sweet potato over that side. Alright, let us walk around. We don't want to step in the farm. So what is this? Sawdust, Dante?
Yeah, sawdust. When the caterpillar them come.
So you know about the caterpillar?
Yeah, them and soak them.
Oh, so you take care of those things?
Yeah, and over them, I plant out them here too.
These are yam?
Yeah. See, black water, if I soak them in a car, the bore powder put in there.
Oh, you put the yam them in the borek powder?
There's this type of worm, but then I grow with yam them out. Yam them out.
Oh.
Like cassava them as well.
Oh.
So maybe when you see me, maybe take up a cassava and show you right now. You see one of them in the water. I have to cut them out. Then now them are not never affect you still.
Oh, it not gonna affect.
You see the cassava can get.
Because we don't want it today, Dante. We send feed. Because we don't want it go
You see
spoil.
pepper them here come. What do you plant?
Yeah, me get one pepper off of the tree where you give me.
So this is my scallion farm. Until you can walk right in the middle. Because you not walk on it.
Her Majesty, let me go with Dante. I don't want to go drop me.
Guys, my farm right here, guys.
Yes.
One thing I need is no one. I need a pump.
A pump. The pump. So when you get the donation, you want to buy a pump.
Yeah, because it show me have the hose and everything, the springer.
Yeah.
No, and I'm planting all the small things them down here.
So you need the
Oh,
water.
so let me see something on the tree like orange, or what?
Yeah, no orange.
Aki.
No, I could go down there. We can't go down there. Whenever put I go sing. You never know that's something.
Mine a drop.
Yeah, go down there. You want to stay? Why you sing?
May I come on?
So Junior, Dante say you want to say something to me about your shy. Tell me what you want to say, Junior.
This is famous Junior right here, so
You
guys.
do the farming with Dante. I will end up on the tree down there, so Dante.
So you see the grape now, Auntie Dana? I prune it.
You have grape?
Yeah, but them so stable. I will never do it in a right way. You take your time, Auntie Dana. Take your time. Oh yes, walk that way first. You can
No, I
walk.
want to go see how they on that tree there. Oh, you want to show me pumpkin? Come. You say you want to show me pumpkin. Dante, this is flippers you don't make to them.
Oh, this stuff.
Don't touch it, ain't enough to touch it. Oh, one here too?
Pumpkin. And then pumpkin like that. Ooh, mosquito.
Yeah, pumpkin up on the tree, guys. Show them it.
You see pumpkin them there?
Yeah,
And my jump from tree.
the pine sucker them that they all bowed. And jump is a big farm you have, man,
You see this
Dante.
fire you bright here, so Auntie Dana will burn it. You see dust from this, Auntie Dana will use it.
So who teach you all about farming? Who teach you all about this?
Well, you know, Auntie Dana, sometimes you do on YouTube and you know, you just sit down and you know, you do your local farming and
Yeah.
But
So when you burn this, you use the ashes for something?
for the like the mulch. The mulch of the gum, put ashes on there.
Oh, manure. Oh, okay.
Him need him own a show.
Yeah, man, look over
Him need a show with him Dante's farm.
Yeah,
You
man,
have a
look over
YouTube channel.
have a YouTube channel.
Tell them.
Okay, man.
Auntie Nicole, I think it's done. Wait, it's in my Instagram. The link is in my Instagram.
The link is in his Insta. All right.
You go on.
Yeah, you go get a water boot. The next time I come up here, like come know, you wear a water boot.
And shoot today,
Oh,
no
lemon that's on the tree there.
lemon, yeah. No lemon, Auntie Dana.
And look like sour lemon. Look like sour lemon.
Can you get some lemon, please?
No, make it see it well. We don't want to strip the tree.
Okay, I see it.
Some big one up.
Some big one.
I'm going for the stick.
I'm going to go for the stick. Wait, Dante, you don't know if you pick lemon, you have to spin it. I
Auntie
never.
Dana, no too come down here, sir.
Oh,
We have look a smaller one. In big one.
Now what kind of mango tree? East Indian?
No, other one East Indian mix. That's what last time I tell you.
Oh yes, yes, you did tell me. I never don't tell me amazed that's what you have apple tree, so you have an apple tree. Come.
I'm very too.
Berry.
Just a sugar there.
Sorry, that's the sugar they have to pick berry. I want you or you have more pumpkin.
And then over there.
Then say you must enough to touch there.
You not touch them. Pumpkin over there.
Because then we drop off. What we see a big one?
Yes, pumpkin there again.
Yeah.
Auntie Dana, you see the fire it does?
Yeah.
So I say environment in
Yeah.
Jamaica, right?
And this is your name berry?
Very, yeah, very
Oh
nice.
yes, the Rasta ja berry. Me seen a phone and me buy it in a Price Smart. Dante have berry tree. Your Majesty, please get the berry. Look.
This look like either blackberry.
And a red berry, blueberry and red berry.
Other one in my
Blanca, make them see the Dante.
guys, this is the berry.
These are berry. Me get berry from Dante, the first berry. And the first, me see a berry tree. So what kind of a year you them up?
No man, no, you never pick them there.
That one it good. You can eat it same way, yeah.
One thing about it, one thing about it.
It's sweet.
Auntie Dana, one thing about it, Auntie Dana, birthday not so good.
Carol, come to you. Dante, where you get that sucker here? I fought me to this in Jamaica.
Well, Auntie Dana, you see, we have things, you know, where you can't really find nowhere.
Rasta ja. Taste it, Your Majesty. Them sweet like so when them
No, they don't want to taste like that.
no, but me want to taste it.
Yeah.
So,
Mm-mm.
the nice man.
Them
Sometimes,
sweet.
Them look like them look like a blackberry, but
Blackberry.
a blackberry, don't
Make
it?
them see, look, make them see the tree. Make them see
These
what the
are
real.
blackberry.
Mm?
Yeah, blackberry. Mosquito, that kill you.
Them sweet mosquito up here though.
no, them
I
are gone.
cassava tree this Dante.
Yeah, cassava.
Then I said be a big tree. Me think I did a
Cassava,
whisk.
yeah. Yeah, that's what too.
Hi, that is your friend Dante.
Yeah, that's my friend right there. So guys, you can let me see my face.
Let's talk to the
So guys, right here, so guys, you have the cassava and the berry.
Claudia. Lime, that's lime, that's not lemon.
This is lemon.
The lemon, never lemon tree on the tree now today now.
You have sweet sap tree too.
Sweet of tree too. But the bird attack them hard.
Look how the sweet sap them ripe. You know pick them Dante.
We see no sweet one right one another.
One ripe one like it there right there. So.
Wait there.
Don't forget
A long
stick.
time I no climb one tree.
You can't climb that tree that try.
A long time I no climb tree. But you not seen a ripe one to climb it with a show or something.
Is it?
Yeah, I can climb tree.
But start climbing now, maybe when we so ripe.
Because we are carried up on the earth.
No, honest to God, I can. I'm sure I can.
Alright, go and go climb.
God, no, no, fountain and
Yeah, you can't climb tree in a slipper. Else you go fall down. When I look at climb tree, a country.
what?
Wait, Dante.
Alright, watch ya.
Guys, this is
Watch
a
ya.
very
Alright. Alright.
I never afraid.
Okay. Alright.
what? Auntie Dana.
Eat off the ripe
Auntie
one.
Dana, me see you much. I lean over. Auntie Dana,
Dante.
no, 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 close Auntie Dana.
You're Dante.
Everything, I never.
Oh, Jesus. I can't bother.
Like this, how you make them stay up in a tree and ride past?
Well, Auntie Dana, to be honest, sometimes we can't bother come down and two the bird and catch me for me. Early as the morning, you see some big party in the tree and then the party and then you know. If come up early, you see parrot on the tree there. And hockey time then come, the parrot then come in.
God, God, you got ladies, Jen, come on. Dante, hurry up and grow. Hurry up and grow, Dante. All cocoa.
Cocoa
No,
everywhere,
sir.
Auntie Dana, so you will get cocoa and come here. Well, I think we can get some cocoa too, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, come here, some.
My back open. No, Dante, you're surprised me.
You find them here, Auntie Dana. Came too.
I know melon that, Carol.
Melon up at the top.
No, see my pick breadfruit. Wow, show them. I don't want to walk through the mud. I can walk around. It a pick up down here?
Yeah, man.
You're one now. Pick
May
up.
wanna pick up.
Did you feel like one good up here?
Maybe them have a tower up here.
Happy tree
For the
to
rich
that
people.
one.
It's why the Santa Daniel grow peas and everything.
Oh yes, him show me peas that when plant. See it a bus out there. You plant them up in the fire. The happy tree at all. Them a pick breadfruit.
Auntie Dana, Auntie Dana, so I come from the farm.
Yeah.
I'll feel away. I'll find and start here. Auntie Dana.
Boy, the mosquito them. I wish me did carry my bug spray.
Well, you have fresh blood too. Them have a sex for you.
Oh, you to take it on.
Not you.
Auntie Dana, see aloe vera them too.
Oh yes, the
Aloe
aloe
vera.
vera.
They use it to wash the face. It's some people nice, Auntie Dana. Ask my grandfather. Ask my grandfather. Auntie Dana. The best thing for use for your face.
Yes, I can use that all over face.
Auntie Dana may tell you the best thing for use for your face. Now cut one and peel it and give it. Just right now on the spot. You use it.
No, me have it down on my yard and say I don't like it.
And no one, I need green water to use, you know.
The can't take the bitterness, Dante.
The pine, in the pine, guys. Guys, when I mean farm, guys, I mean no joke. Me say farm.
Alright, Dante say farm.
And guys,
When I mean farm, no joke, we say farm.
Blanca crew.
Look, show the people them the big mosquito them were up here.
My God. Jesus.
Yes.
You know, say no bite me yet, me not even talk too quick.
No, sir.
No bite me yet.
I go get my bug spray.
One time, you know. 4, 5 of
My
them.
breadfruit them they went pick. You have a jump from tree too?
Room from here. See, room from
Tree
here.
here. Jump from tree this.
Oh, a plum. Mastica them up. Wow. Right there. You see.
I'm sure then the breadfruit them will come off a Dante.
Nice, man.
A yellow breadfruit, you know. You can't climb that breadfruit tree there. Look on it.
You can't climb this?
Of course, you set there ground.
Go on now.
Some lizard
Climb
out
it.
there, green lizard.
No, I'm not go out there then.
Some big green lizard out
Show
there.
them breadfruit that we get.
Let's show them the fruit right here. Farmer man. And me and Auntie Dana in the building right now. Just get some breadfruit off my farm, guys. And as you know, it's gonna come up right now, guys, because when I mean farm, no joke, I'm just giving
Not
out
the Yankee there, Dante.
of my farm, you know. Be a must, you know me? So there's a lot of work going on right now. I'm going to build a little greenhouse for my little flowers that are coming in.
So you go plant flowers too?
Yeah, flowers too, guys. So call this number if you see the silk for the flowers them where you guys see. Call this number 781-1357. Call that number if you want some flowers. Call.
You go sell flowers?
No, we don't sell flowers in Auntie Dana.
Lord Jesus, Dante, you is not. You want big man in a one little boy body.
Exactly.
You man a little boy.
That's
You
so
want
true.
them have a backup plan. If the farm can't make money, the flowers them drop in. I'm never afraid.
You know, some adults not think like that, you know.
him.
A lot of people not think them way there.
Alright, so guys, right there, this is my farm right there. So guys, I really want to say something right now. And
Grandfather, where you get him from? My father there. My cook. Me have to meet Dante's father. No, sir.
Tell them say, I don't run birth certificate them fine.
Yeah. Watch your breadfruit then. Whoa.
yes,
Good afternoon. Yeah.
so get Auntie Dana buy gloves, feed them farming gloves in it, you know.
You buy
So,
farming
so
gloves.
I want to say big up to everybody who helped me and donate to me so I could go further in my farming. And what I really want to get right now is a pump, guys. I really need the pump.
How much for the pump?
Well, you can't really know the price of the pump and that.
Oh.
But I need a pump because enough time I'm have to see me go.
And you want to do this on your own because I know your parents can help you, but you want to be independent and you want to do it on your own.
One thing I love what I do until I is I don't want to get up and just plan something that I don't know about. I do my research. Yes.
Oh, you're very smart.
Yes. So sometimes you see my garden plant up some things I tell them don't do
I
it.
wonder if the Ministry of Agriculture is watching this. Could somebody please tag? Could somebody please tag? Somebody please tag personnel from the Ministry of Agriculture. I think that Dante could be a spokesperson
Exactly.
for
Children.
children into farming.
exactly,
Who is the
yeah.
Ministry of Agriculture? Who is the minister? Do have a clue. I follow politics, but I don't know what they do. Anybody who knows the Ministry of Agriculture, who is in charge, please tell them about Dante. So these are your plants, right? No pick the mint, man. Oh God. The mint tree not ready for pick yet, Dante. No kill it.
Smell nice mint.
So you plant all of these, Dante?
Plant them big mint.
That is mint too?
Yeah, mint. Can use them one too.
What kind of mint this? Wow, smell here.
Big one.
Jeez,
You want any into that?
No. Me I drink so much tea. So you plant out here like the way you put the flowers farm, Dante.
Well, I'm thinking about to make a little greenhouse here, or at least right around there, so as well. I just want to show you guys my palm.
Oh, you have a palm tree?
Yes.
Oh. Right, Dante? You make some big people they for a long time look like they're not try.
True.
Alright,
True.
guys, right here, so now
What you plant these too?
you plant them, so see the donation you give me as well, use them and buy some pot.
Oh, I'm saying the donation I'm getting, use them and buy some
So
pot.
some palm here and that. So you have your palm in my top too.
Do you have palm for me too?
Yeah, palm.
Lord Jesus.
See here, so guys, these are the palms. What I'm selling right now, my father really selling them right now, but this is what I'm
I
selling.
like that one, the big one. Then. How much for them? I don't want them so big.
You have some small ones. You have two small on my top.
Oh, the person can call it the number and get palm.
781-1357. That's the number to get right at
So these are the
yeah. So do once then I use these spirit and plant things in there.
oh, you use it there.
So I pepper how much. Right now once then is right now me I try to focus on down the back. And clear for the spine and everything. I go further with these now. But these are my palm and show you for the stuff again.
Send credit to that phone. Why did the internet go a little while? The pool nice. Hi. Joshua, you mind you dropping there in the door? Eh? Oh. Yeah, me put on the internet.
Performing the song Cool
Hey,
as
come.
the Breeze, Ty
Come.
was dedicated to his hometown.
Me can't
Jamaica.
swim.
Here is
Me can't swim good. Oh, we are going over the barbecue section. We are showing the Dante father. We can come with the camera. Ask him if I can come. Are you a Dante father? I want to talk to you, you know. Come on, know how you have this brilliant, this. You want to talk to me? Hi. Show them the jerk chicken. Lord God, proper party up here today. Yes. And the sweaty, you know. All right, come here. So guys, this is Dante, Dad. Look in the camera, you know that this thing. Dante, watch out. Wait, we're gonna speak to him in a few.
So guys, I want to show you a runway right here, guys. You guys out there, you know, I'm here in the cooking pot right here section.
We're not gonna put the chicken for them. You can get out for 2 minutes. Let the Blanca people and beat Dante. Come out here, so. Yeah. Dante, come around here with the queue. Alright. So, Dante, come on, Dante.
No, I'm not fancy.
Okay, so, guys, we have Dante. Come, Dante. The meat smell nice. We have Dante father right here. When did you get this awesome little boy? Is he alone now? Is he alone like this? Is the biggest one? Well, I see a lot of potential in Dante. I see a lot of great things going up in the sky. I see so much in him. He don't act in age.
Remember since him born.
I must say that I talk to his mother. I talk to you on the phone, but we never see in a real person. And I can't say me just in awe to see how Dante is, how he acts, how he reacts, and what he's doing. First time I know Dante, and a lot of what I'm trying to explain to a lot of persons that. What the place name? Waltham. You have a studio down there. Or them have a workshop, so Dante they all about the place. So me did I work at the Cane Girl, don't? Which part you buy cane and coconut water, pass I buy. You see, sometimes God just ordain things. Me pass no one I buy cane juice and coconut. Them not see we. Oh, and I buy cane juice and coconut water. And stand up at a video of the girl and this little boy run come. And me I watch him, you know, and him eye full of water, you know. And me I watch him. Then him just him wait until I finish the interview with the girl. And then him sorry I never did that video for you to see the expression. And then him come up and say, you Auntie Dana, I love you, I love you, I love you. And me I say, when this little guy exaggerate because that's the first me I see him. And he start cry. The second part, when you see my son, I'm not cry. That time him don't ball out him eye already. And him say, Auntie Dana, I'm watch your program, I love you. And to hear it from my child's mouth and to see the improvements in Dontae and everything that Dontae does. Look at the farm. How much big people in this world and they don't have nothing like this. Yes, so you also a farmer? Oh. So Dontae, Dontae father said him always plant the things there. Watch your dog, him pretty.
Milan, that's my dog, Milan.
Come here, Melon.
Come on, Milan.
Melon, up here.
That's Auntie Dana, look.
Hi, Melon. Smell the mint. Melon. Not. Why we not showing the people them house here no plank? We want to keep the people them space private. You come stay right from Dontae pool. So you go chuck in now, Dontae. You can't swim? Make the plank of them see you. And Joshie, Marcy and monitor Joshie for me no farm. I can't take him go drop in there today.
Auntie Dana,
Yeah?
now you're going to see a boy dancing.
Yes. Hi, good afternoon. Come. Joshie, we can't let you go in there. You're not a swimmer. You never done swimming class. Put on clothes. You're small, you're underage. I don't want you in the water like that. Because your breast showing you. You can put on a t-shirt, please. Because the camera is going to pick you up here. Even though you're here. Eh? You don't have no more shirt. Don't tell Lena one of your shirt now, please. That little girl, she have on her brassiere and I don't want her breast in her phone. Go on, go Lena one of your big shirt. Go on, Dontae, do. I pick me that for them breasts, not for your show. Yeah. Yeah, you see her breasts are show?
Yeah.
And the live I got now, so I can't put her in there. She about 12, she not ready for that yet.
Okay.
Yeah, pool nice, see? They might enjoy themselves. Up here, you like the little outdoor experience today?
Yeah,
talk to the plank of them.
Very nice.
Yes, very nice.
I am really proud of this young man because I was just saying on my live that when I was 12, I never even knew if I did I go bake.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah,
And
him
know
have
what
the egg
a
on
do.
his body.
Yeah, and stuff. So, you know, him a go do well. He's going to do it. He might be I see him being a proper businessman.
Yeah.
And not afraid to do the work.
True.
You know, so he might go far.
True.
Definitely go far.
So all the day is so far. It look gloomy. Like we're gonna get rain. But it's not hot. Yeah. Just get to it.
It's a nice atmosphere.
Yeah, up here nice.
Last time I get a piece of the jerk chicken.
Him can't get piece of the jerk chicken. Yeah, him say yeah, bring it come. Him dining for piece of the jerk. It's a red stripe light here, so the bucket come out. Alright. Me want a red stripe light. Pull one Chris strong liquor in there too, you know. No sorry no in there. Up here lemon.
Boy.
Alright, give me the lemon. You say more check. Come here, Dontae, father. The plank here, woman, them ask me about you, you know.
Me hurt now, man. Me hurt now, man.
Dontae family, them say they don't like Facebook. Nobody run up and down. I'm never afraid. Eh? Like who that? When we done, we take proper picture, man. I'm tired of my face. Tired. When we done, we take proper picture. I could enjoy the red stripe light. Him look like Dante. Watch him was. Watch him, Chris. Ooh. Me I tell you. Look, oh, me should I tell Marlon say me up here, you know. Me then nearby to him. Red stripe light. Cheers to we liquor them the past stand. Yeah. Make your hype and Josh him. Joshua enjoy himself. You see sometimes Chris, and me just put Dante on the program, you know, like me see him. So I give him $2,000. He never fascinated by the money. Him just fascinated by me. So when on the program when him come and I give him donation a lot of people. That is why I don't listen to people. And that is why if you follow people, you never highlight people, you never make people reach them full potential. Because look, hear them, Miss Donna, take off Dante off of the program and rich people pitney. Him not need no help, you gotta give somebody who want the money. And look, enough people will get the money. Don't put it to use. Look down there up on the farm. Look how much planting. Look how much pine. I see a truckload of pine sucker. You see how much pine down there? You have to say the whole of the farm having pine sucker. And then put it to use. And the program also, I like the good little boy that him is. So, and him don't put the people them donation to and buy foolish. Him buy flowers, him do the palms telling you on so. And him try every little thing. And people just love this little